Hi guys, to receive this 10 pocket construction work vest for revenge purposes, and I think it's really nice. It's a soft fabric. It feels really nice. Here in the color, it has like a cushion, which is really good. It has reflective material all the way around, as you can see. And it has many different pockets. In here you've got one. Here you've got another one. You can just, depending on what you had in here. Here we are two other pockets and sides. Have another one. And the front part, we've got two other bags. Okay, so you can see it's really good, fixed perfectly. It has also reflective material for the night in these parts, which is good. You know, you have to be always visible on the construction. But if you want to use it when you're gonna make some adjustments in your house, it's really good. Okay, so if you need a work vest that has reflective material and many pockets to store anything you want to store with you, have with you, I think this is a really nice option that you can have with you for your work, your house, whatever you need it. Okay, so I would really recommend it. I like it a lot. It's, as I've said, lightweight. It doesn't weigh that much, so it doesn't weigh that much. It's nice to have one of these around in your house, in your workplace, whenever you need it. So I would really recommend it. See ya.